And here we are back again. It is time to do a little LST on this. I'm going to take a few fan leaves out, pull off a few, very few, of the lower nodules and stuff just to keep her from getting too bushy. Now that I've already pulled clones, we are training this one to go in for scrog. So as you can see, she's a trinode. So each node has 3 branches. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then this one up here. 1, 2, 3. It's a rare but slightly common genetics thing that happens. And it just adds to the extra bud sites on this one when she flowers. So, but anyhow, I'm going to spread her out. We're going to use these new blood clips that I bought. These are, what was the brand again? Jeez, memory's getting bad in my old age. Bendies, they're called. And I'm hoping they work pretty good. I've mentioned them once before in my videos, but anyhow, they have a clasp mechanism on there that allows it to pop and adjust to wherever you want it. And we'll see how tough they are, because I've never used them before. But they're pretty stiff, so we'll see how they go. I'll have to adjust them before I put them on. But anyhow, let me get a few leaves off of them first. Take all these lowest fan leaves off. Such a cool plant. Look at that, eh? It's another thing I do while I'm LSTing and defoliating. Always hold your leaves up to the light, especially the lowest ones that you're pulling off, because that's the ones that'll have little specks on them if they're infested with mites or any kind of bug at all. You'll notice it right away. It's a good way to keep track of how bad they're getting. Yeah, another one. Get rid of that. Get rid of this one. Oh, okay, this side's looking pretty good. Turn this around. Pull that one there as well. And the lower ones. Now I got some more lower ones. That one can come out. The one pointing upwards can come out. Ones that are going towards each other. We can get rid of those. Okay, now we're looking. Oh, there's another one that's pointing up. Ideally, you want to open that canopy right up so that the light can get through to all the nodes. Because all these little parts in here, you see, on the inside branches, we want them to come up and meet up with the rest of these So not all of them can grow. Flourish. Yeah. Okay, that one's gone. Yeah, that one's gone. Looking pretty good so far. Get rid of that one. Yes, I think all the only leaves I'm leaving here are the ones on the very top 3 to 4 inches of families. All the lower nodes have their own leaves going on now. And those I'll leave. I won't bother taking them out. See, there's another one that's going straight up. All right. That one is in the middle. And all right. This one here. Kind of in the way. Kind of in the way. Let's see those little tiny nodes that are growing there. They will still, because I'm going to be bending this over, making it around flat. So they will do rather well. They'll start to fill in really quickly. Okay. I think that's looking pretty good for the trim. Give her a little spin here, see what's going on. Yeah, I don't want to take all the families because then we'll be sucking too much energy from our beautiful little plant. We want her to thrive. Oh, hang on. Yeah, that one's got to go. That's why it doesn't hurt to go through it all again, just to be sure. You always catch them the next time, too. You'll see the ones that you missed, but for the most part, I like to get them all if I can. Once the plant starts to recuperate, fill in, you don't want to have to shock her again if you don't have to. Okay. Looking pretty good. I don't think I'm missing any now. So let me see. How do I want to do these bottles? Ooh. Yeah, I think I'll use the clips. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Oh, gonna go that way. No, right there. That way. No. Okay. I think I figured it out. No, maybe not. Maybe a little lower. We don't want to. Okay, and there we go. First clip on there. Looking pretty good. Don't know how well it's gonna do. We'll see. I think I might just do one clip for now. Use tie downs for the rest until we see how well they do. That's a lot of stress on that one now, so I don't know if it's gonna pop on me or not. We'll see. We got lots of extra nodes going on. Oh, do I want to do that or do I just keep going? Ideally, anyway, that'll eventually grow and turn up and spread out, and we'll just keep moving and adjusting as we go, and that'll keep the branch fairly level. Ideally, we want all of this stuff to start growing down like that. Keeps everything looking wonderful. Yeah, I think we're just going to stick with the clips. I need to adjust this. Oh, it doesn't need to be quite that sharp. There. Well, there's not quite so much pressure on that now. Awesome. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next one. We'll do the lowers first. They're hanging in a pretty good spot, actually. Not looking too bad. Figure out where we want to put this one. Um, yeah, adjust them a little bit ahead of time. And oh, that one looks pretty good. You want to make sure that your nodes got room to grow. They're sticking out. I see that might be in a bad position. There. See how we're not interfering with them at all. Oh no, maybe I better move it. Okay. Go below this one. And then above. Oh. So you get above on the end line, underneath on this one. Then you curl that under. Oh, let me go this way. There we go. There, that way the nodes are free still. I have to take that one off. There we go. There, as you can see, the nodes are free still, so they can continue to grow. These ones here will grow out, in spite of the fact that the clip is in the way. And as this one turns and goes up, I will move the clip out, as we already discussed. And that should do her. Now, see what this one's looking like. Much the same. I'll adjust that clip out. So she's almost flat. Okay, we want to go above the node there. below the node there. And oh, and just like that. I think that's going to be good. I imagine that they're going to need to be adjusted quite often. But they're only meant to hold them temporarily because you're going to be moving it at some point, right? So now you can see that bottom row of branches is held a little lower. And now we got to do the same to that top row of branches. So I'm going to get that done. I don't want to drag you guys along for the whole thing. And then I'll come back when I'm done and show you the end result. Be right back. And here we are back. And she's all finished. You can see the clips are all the way around. And look, the canopy is pretty even. It's exactly where we want. And I will continue to do so. I'll probably come back and do a second video on this just to show you what it looks like for round 2. But that's the LST training for today. All wrapped up. That's how you do it, guys. Okay, thanks a lot. Have a good day. Peace.